cabbage, dali. I have potato. And I have Karela fries, Karela peanut fries. I have the soy chunks, masala, fry. And for the rice, I have the tomato yogurt curry. And this is my lunch plate. Today I'm adding, first I'm starting with the red chili, roti, and this is the twist. Kitchen, uh, Meda's healthy veg kitchen. Today I am going to make Karela special fry. So I'll show you how I do this. Maybe 2 tablespoons of oil because it's a fry. So we need some oil. I have handful of peanuts. Peanuts goes very well with the Karela. So if you haven't tried this recipe, try this method, just try it. This is my own creation and I've been cooking like this forever, and my family doesn't like Karela, the bitter taste, and whenever I make it like this, they love it. I have a generous hands full of peanut into it, and I'm adding green chilies and some onions. This is one full onion chopped. I'm taking just not half, it's less than half. I'm adding the Karelas now. This is lengthwise chopped, and if you notice, I haven't removed the seeds. This will give a good crunch. Somehow, I love it. Whenever I have Karela fries, I love to eat the seeds also. And now I'm adding a little bit of salt. This is Karela needs a little more salt, so I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. This is 2 big Karelas or bitter melon. I keep forgetting to say the English name. And I already made the tomato paste for another dish, so I'm going to add that to this. So the acidity of the tomato juice just takes away the bitter taste of the Karelas, and that's my technique. And now I'm going to add a little bit of red chili powder and a little bit of turmeric, and that's it. And mix it very well and cover it and cook till the Karelas cook well and all the water is evaporated. That's all. I'm giving this a Karela peanut fry the name. Let's check my Karela fries. My Karela peanut fries is almost ready now. It's a very tasty recipe with the rice, because I like it with the rice and yogurt, because this Karela tastes so good with peanut. And please try this recipe. Everybody in the family will love it. I am giving you 100% guarantee. Try this recipe exactly like this and please enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you have any comments, let me know. And please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in another video, cooking video. Thank you.